okay, that they used to be in. It used to be Fang, by the way, and the F has been dropped, in case you guys don't know, in the like elite circles, right? So Fang isn't up there anymore. It's now Aang, right? And this is how it works. They eliminate each other at the top. They're competing in a huge game at the top. And so this has nothing to do with us or the open source community. This has everything to do with Facebook disrupting the board, for which they know they're going to lose if they don't disrupt the board. Now, that said, that doesn't mean that's not great for us. That is great for us. And I love that Facebook is open sourcing stuff, and I love Llama. So don't get me wrong there at all, but let's not ascribe them motivations that are not actually correct.
Right. So
Their
either
motivation
way,
is to survive against Microsoft.
so the sure,
Yes.
I mean, sure, whatever the motivation may be, either way, the code is open source, and what it costs to train is also feasible in the sense like train something like a Llama 3.1, which took about 40 million each 100 hours. If you do that cost on a cost, about $45 million, $45 million, right? That's not completely out of reach for a lot of the decentralized systems. So tomorrow, the training can be done in a decentralized manner for something like BitTensor, which has about $1 billion of emissions every year. A part of that, you can allocate about $100 million to train the next generation of the latest and the greatest AI model. As long as the source code is open and the latest and the state-of-the-art model is open source, I think is beneficial, net benefit to the community versus regardless of what the motivation could be. But but I think the outcome is what we really are admiring here. Like, sure, Google, big bad evil company, open source Kubernetes. Think about the impact Kubernetes has on global, cloud
Yeah, no,
infrastructure, right? So
yeah,
sure,
I'm
the
not saying
motivation was like Google didn't have a leg
I'm
up
not
on
saying
Amazon.
Google is evil.
I sure.
Okay, why don't we let Gregor chime in, and then we'll move to the next question.
Yeah, it's I agree with both. I think it's open sourcing Llama, it's great. I think they open sourced it exactly for the reasons that were mentioned.